beyond a shadow of a doubt, unequivocally, the Americans and the American public, and better yet, the 20 million people on Obamacare, cannot trust the Republicans to take care of the ACA and fixing the problem. Einstein states that insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, expecting a different result. In Trump's first term, he said that he was going to repeal and replace Obamacare. He tried to repeal Obamacare over 60 times with no plan to replace it whatsoever. In the presidential debate, he stated that he had concepts of a fucking plan. Concepts of a plan. No idea of what the actual plan is whatsoever. So, how can we trust what he actually is going to replace it with? This impending crisis is due to the Republicans and the tax bill that they passed with the removal of $800 billion from Obamacare and $1 trillion from Medicare. Especially in rural areas, need to brace themselves for what is about to happen in the next 2 years because of this crisis. Study after study shows that close to 300 hospitals can close in the next year because of the removal of all of this money from the healthcare system. Close to 300 hospitals could close in the next year. That is more hospital closures than the last 25 years combined. That is catastrophic. That will increase infant mortality, maternal mortality in areas that are already the highest in the nation, which is poor rural areas in states that are already poor. Estimates show that 345 hospitals are going to close in the next year. There are going to be health deserts like food deserts, and it is going to impact minorities. It is going to take longer for ambulances to get people to care, and minority women are going to be impacted the most by this because infant mortality and maternal mortality impacts them the most. Black women are 3 times more likely to die during childbirth than white women.